Hello, everyone. Welcome to Alphawisdom. I'm Mystic Cassandria. All right, today we're going to be learning how to do a handprint. We'll go right through each procedure. I borrowed the copies of how it's done from my book that I published. All right, the name of the book is listed below the video. All right, we're going to be using washable ink, preferably the black ink or the navy blue ink. All right, hope you can see that. And I have another one here. They come in larger tubes, but I got the smaller one. All right. Then it says, use the roller, small size. I have two to show you, small size. So it just covers, not too large for the hand. All right, and this is the other one. And this is the other side. Okay, we'll see pictures of them again. Okay, then it says art paper or photocopy. Everything I've used has just like taking it from the printer. That's what I've always used, and it works very well. Or if you prefer, if you're in art or you have seen it before, you could use the art paper. Then you have to have something for that paper to sit clearly on. And this is what I have. I use the pads, rubber pads. Rubber pads, very flexible. This is the side that has not been used. This side has been used several times, okay? And the cost is, unless, well, everything goes up, it's under $10, okay? All right, or you can use that laminated glass. This is the glass. Okay, hope you can see that. All right, well, let's see what it looks like from the photos, instructions of how it's done. You've seen the paper, I'll remove that. This is the first step. Items used for printing the hand: washable ink, rollers, pad, and paper. That's what I have here. These are the same rollers. All right, then we have the next page. Here's what the ink looks like. Again, here we have put some of the ink on the pad, squeezed out. You don't need any more than that. You may do less than that. And I want to be pointing out, the first time you do it may not work out so well. Don't give up. This can be like a trial and error, and then eventually you'll get it right. All right, this says you'll use roller to put ink on palm. Be careful to cover the entire palm. Yes. Now that looks like too much ink, but you'd be surprised. We're trying to get a good illustration of all of the lines. All right, here's the hand on the paper. You press down. Be sure that you press this part, the palm part, because that's like a hollow section, and it won't come out unless you give it a little pressure. Press the inked palm on the paper, and be sure you press the fingers in too, especially closer to the tip, the whole finger, of course. All right, then we go on. So after doing that, these are your potential results. All right, here's one print, and you can see when you look closely, you can see that this seems to stand out quite a bit. This is this. You can still see it just as clearly, but this really makes all the lines. See all these lines here? Sometimes we don't get that without a print. Okay? So we're going to be analyzing hands from prints. We're still going to do the usual way, but I think it's time now that we start looking closer at all the prints and see what we can learn or decipher from that. Okay? All right. Hope you're not running from this. Anyway, it was bound to happen. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it. Give a like up, your thumb up, and share, and of course, subscribe. Welcome to the new subscriber. Glad you're here. All right. Thanks for watching. And of course, stay with the channel and love yourself. Love and light. Bye.